usually they don't get along very well. Like, usually Gracie is always trying to bite Eddie, but that's just play biting. And now they're just sitting next to each other. Eddie's chewing on Gracie's bone, and Gracie's chewing on Eddie's bone. See that little bone? That was supposed to be for Gracie. That big bone. That's supposed to be for Eddie. Oh, look, they're sharing a bone. They're sharing a bone. Oh, he's giving it to Gracie. Isn't that nice? Here, can I take the little bone? Yeah. Let. Here's the little bone. Yeah. Sorry about the black. Now they have their proper bones. I think he wants them to share. He's like, nope, my bone. My bone again. She's like, but I want it. Nah, I guess I can live with this one. No, I want that one really bad. You think? I guess I can live with that one. It's just so cute. Okay, I paused it because I had to go to the bathroom, but this is so cute. I hope you guys enjoy it.